Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create videos like the one Mr. Beast made using Viggle AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Firstly, search for Viggle AI and click on the first link. You should now be able to go to Viggle AI website. To start using Viggle AI, you can either join the beta by clicking on the green button or use the light version by clicking the white button. If you choose to join the beta, you'll need to create an account. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the main page. To use Viggle AI, on the left side, upload an image of your character. It's best to use full body images where your character is clearly visible. Make sure the image is less than 10 megabytes. In the Motion tab, upload a video that will dictate the actions of your character. The video should be less than 30 seconds, feature a single character, we have good lighting, and be free of any obstructions. For example, if your motion video has a character dancing, you upload character in the image will also dance after you press generate, the same dance of the second video you uploaded on the Motion tab. Alternatively, you can use the template option to create a video using Viggle AI's predetermined templates. For this tutorial, I'll use one of their templates. Choose whether the background should be the original, white or green. Once you've set everything up, click Generate. It will take a few minutes for Viggle AI to create your video. If you don't want to create a Viggle AI account, you can join their Discord server. Click the white button to join the server, and once you've joined it, find the channel with animate options. Type /animate and then select the animate option. Attach the file you want to use for your character. For the motion prompt, go back to the Viggle AI website and find the prompt for Discord button under the Join Beta button. Find the template you like and copy the text underneath it, which has a $sign. Choose whether the background should be white, green or original. Optionally, turn on fine tuning. And then when you're finished, press enter and wait for it to finish making your videos. Just note that using Discord means all your content will be public inside the server, while with a Viggle AI account, your content will remain private only for you on the website. And that's how you can use Viggle AI to create amazing videos. If this video will help you out, make sure to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.